Okay, now I like you to do this question. For this question is asking you to find all the sides. It's asking you to find this side and that side. Once you've done that side, you can find the perimeter. Okay. And sometimes the question can be find the area of the triangle. We will do the area in this triangle as well. To find the area of the right angle, not non-right angle triangles, you need two sides and included angle. So first, if anyone can find me this and that side, please, and then we work from there. So to find the perimeters, the first thing you should do is look at this angle and find this angle. So that would be 180 minus 63 minus 65, which is 52. To find the side A, use A over sine A equals C over sine C. Arrange the formula, move the sine A on this side, you will get this bit. Put in the values. The C is 6, so sine 65, because that C is here, multiply by the sine 52. And this will give you the value in centimeter for the A. 5.21 or 5.22 centimeter. Now to find the B, you need to use this formula. B over sine B equals to C over sine C. And then rearrange the formula. Plug in the values. So 6 over sine 65 multiply by sine 63. And that will give you the value 5.89 or 5.90 centimeter. Now the question was finding the perimeter. So for the perimeter, we need to do A plus a B plus a C. So the value of the C and the B was 5.90. The value for the A was 5.22 or 5.21. And the value for the C was 6. So you add all of them. And that will give you the perimeter, which is 17.11 centimeter. Now imagine if there is a triangle, and let's say this side is 10 and this side is 15, and this is sine 30, or not sine 30, I mean 30. If the question is finding the area, it has a formula. To find the area of a triangle which is not right angle triangle is half times A times B times the sine C. What does that mean? It means two different side and the middle angle. So to find that one, in this case, is going to be half times 10 times 15 times sine 30. Yeah. If they are in centimeter, we will get an answer in centimeter. So we have an answer 37.5 centimeter square. So this side here is a different question. It's finding the area of a triangle. Now, once you've done that one, try doing this question. Now, Donhampton is 48 kilometers from Castletown. So that's Donhampton D, Castletown, distance 40. Castletown on a bearing of 050. So when we record the bearing, make sure we record the bearing like in bearing of 050, which means this angle is 50 degree here. Yeah. So this, look at bearing from Donhampton, from that one. So East Villa is a bearing of 75 degree from Castletown. So you look at the Castletown and you draw the line all the way here clockwise. So this big angle is 75. That big angle is 75. Now, if you want to find this small angle, the big angle is 75 minus 50. So this angle is going to be 25. 75 minus 50. Then we got East Villa is 150 from Donhampton. So from Donhampton, this angle is 150. If this angle is 150, that angle and this angle, they both should add up to 180. So that angle is going to be 30 degree. Yep. The opposite, these angles should add up to 130. Now, if you have a look, we got a kind of a triangle. We are still missing one angle. To do that one, the whole of this circle is 360. We all agree the whole circle is 360. This angle was 50. So this angle here is going to be 130 because this angle and that angle should add up to 180. So now I got that one. So now the whole circle, I can figure it out. 150 plus 130 minus 360. So this angle here has to be 80 to make it. So that is 80. Now you got this triangle. Now you can use a sine rule to find the missing sides. After you finish that one, if you can try this question number 7, and you can also try this question as well.